Today, this is not just a race. Today, this is a battle between three different worlds. The world of Formula One, the world of MotoGP, and the world of pure modified insanity. 1,400 horsepower on four wheels. The question isn't just who's fastest. The question is, who can handle the pressure? The German monster, pure power. This isn't just a 911. This is a Porsche 911 Turbo S 991 that's been completely rebuilt. The engine bored out to 4.2 liters, twin turbocharged power, 1,400 horsepower at the wheels. But today, because the runway is slightly damp, it's dialed down to only 1,200 horsepower, AO-wheel drive, 7-speed PDK launch control, ready to explode. But here's the problem. Can it actually put that power down? The track weapon, a world champion. Next to it stands a legend, the Red Bull RB8, the car that won the 2012 Formula One World Championship, a 2.4-liter, naturally aspirated V8, screaming to nearly 18,000 RPM, only 700 kilograms in weight. This isn't a road car, this is a machine built to destroy lap times. Behind the wheel, a professional Formula One driver, zero hesitation, zero mistakes allowed, the two-wheeled rocket. And now, possibly the most dangerous of them all, the KTM RC16 MotoGP bike, 1000cc V4 engine, around 270 horsepower, just 157 kilograms without the rider. Don't let the horsepower fool you. In drag racing, weight is king. With a rider like Dani Pedrosa, the launch will be explosive. The moment of truth, they line up. Silence fills the runway. Heartbeats rising.
Come on! Come on!
The MotoGP bike launches like it's been fired from a cannon. The Formula One car hooks up instantly and chases hard. The Porsche struggles to translate brutal turbo power into grip. The ground shakes, the noise is deafening. Speed climbs violently at the quarter mile. MotoGP 8.6 seconds. Formula One to 9.3 seconds. Porsche to 9.6 seconds. Shock, the least powerful machine. Wins. Rain changes everything. The track gets damp. The bike steps out for safety reasons. Now it's a direct fight. Porsche versus Formula One.
Come on! Come on! Oh, he's coming past me now! Come on! Oh!
The Formula One car hooks up perfectly. The Porsche hesitates for a split second. Then the turbos wake up. Boost builds. The gap closes. Closer, closer. But at the line, the Formula One car wins by the narrowest margin imaginable. Rolling race, the turbos revenge. This is Porsche territory. No launch drama, no traction chaos, they go. The Formula One jumps ahead immediately. But suddenly, the turbos hit full boost. 1,200 horsepower surges forward like an explosion. Side by side, air tearing apart around them. At the half-mile mark, the Formula One holds on just barely. Final challenge, 100 miles per hour. Full emergency braking at the line. The surface is slippery, tires screaming, cars twitching, control on the edge, and once again, the Formula One car proves why it's the king of precision. It wins the braking test too. The dramatic conclusion. In a short explosive drag race, the MotoGP bike is king. In overall performance and balance, Formula One dominates. And the Porsche, an absolute monster. But one that needs the perfect conditions to unleash its full fury. Sometimes, raw power isn't enough. Balance, weight, precision under pressure. That's what truly wins. And today, speed taught us that lesson once again.